All right, this video will show you how to submit your project correctly. So make sure that you pay attention to how to do this. When you get to your homepage on Canva after you've logged in, you'll want to click on all of your designs because that's where your brochure is going to be or your poster is going to be. So that brochure that I made earlier, I have it right here at my fingertips. I'm going to click on that and it's going to open that brochure up for me. Once I've checked over my brochure and I'm ready to turn it in because I know it has all the information on it that I need and all the requirements that I need, I am going to share the link onto the Google Doc that you had in your assignment folder in Google Classroom. So the way I want to do that is I want to click this blue share button and I want to make sure that it says share a link to view. All right, that's what it should say before you actually copy the link. So again, we're going to click share. We're going to change this to share a link to view, and then we're going to just copy that link, and it's copied to our clipboard. Then we're going to go over to our worksheet that was assigned to you in Google Classroom. The place where it says insert your Canva link below, this is where you're going to paste that link. So I'm going to get rid of this line and then I'm going to hit Control V and then enter, and that's going to turn my link into a working link. That way I can share that with my teacher and my teacher can click on that link because it is now a workable link and it will take my teacher directly to my project. Again, make sure that that link is blue. You have to hit enter to turn it blue when you paste it. And once you've done that, then you can turn in this worksheet and your project will be submitted for it to be graded.